Hello everyone. This record screencast is all about enterprise web software development. It's basically a group project. These are all my team members: Nusrat Jahan Juthi, that's me, Faisal Ahmed, Fahimul Islam, and Jahidul Rocket. Now I am going to demonstrate my web-enabled role-based system for idea sharing. So I am moving to login interface. Well, before login to move-in interface, I must introduce some users. That's before login to the interface. This is my login interface for the idea sharing. There are mainly three types of users activity: students who can post their category, QA coordinator who will manage category, and most importantly QA manager who will handle every functions going to the system. Basically he is the admin. Now I am logging into the system as a student to post my idea. This is my default ID and password. As it is a subsystem, so I use default ID and password. Set all my browse to verify my email identity. Login. This is my home page where I can post my idea. Before that, I have to select any category. Select any category. Add category, e-learning system. This is the default. I can choose add new category. Choosing add new category. Here I will write the title and description of my post. Title means the idea I want to share, the topic name, and the description. But the description must be between 2000 words. Title, title of post. The description. Say the numbers are decreasing. To post my idea, I have to choose anonymously. And if I have any file, then I can select any file. I have to agree terms and conditions to post the idea. See, the post button is invisible. So I have to agree terms and conditions. If I want to learn more about terms and conditions, I will click learn more. But I know everything. So as I know everything, so I am clicking post. If you have any query, you can click learn more. See, my post has been done successfully and it has been done anonymously. Title of the post, if I want to read more, title of the description. I can like and dislike it or follow it. If I give a like to the post, see, one like. And if I want to dislike it, then the like option will be disabled. I give like option. I choose like. That's why the dislike option is invisible. So I am choosing now dislike 1. If I want to click like, I can't. See, once I want, I can like or dislike. Then I can even follow my comment, follow my post, follow and unfollow. Then the follow will be unfollowed. The post will be unfollowed. Even I can write a comment on that post. Anything I can write. Anything. I can write anything for the I can write any comment for the post, and it can be done identically or anonymously. I can keep my profile hidden also. If I want to, then I will click anonymously. If I want to know that it's my comment identified, then I will click identified. Then I'm closing identified comment. See, comment has been done. And I will, if I want to check whether my comment has been done or not, I will go to the timeline. Here all the latest idea and latest post are comment above. So one like is the title of the post, read more, title of the description, one like, I unfollowed that one, and one comments. If I want to see all posts, the all posts will come over here. If I see the my post where I have comment or my post what I have done till now, these are my post, and the post I am following, these are the posts that I am following. Then I'm moving to idea category. These are the category name, start date, closure date, remaining closure, the starting date of the category, and the closure date. Between 3 days or 12 days, I can post an any idea on that category. This is the final closure date. After that, I can write any post over there. Remaining final closure date. That's the time remaining. Message. These are the students and staff of each department. I can write any message to them. Suppose I'm saying Ryan Gibson, hi, and click send option. See, the message has been sent to Ryan Gibson through a email notification that I will show later. So that's all for the student stuff, what he can do on his dashboard. Home, this one was the timeline where he can see the post, latest post, all post, followed post, idea category, the deadline of the post category where he can post his idea, and the message option. There's also logout option. We'll go, and I'm going logout. Till now I'm showing the activities of a student, how he can post his ideas. Now I will log in as a QA coordinator. This one is QA coordinator ID, default ID and password. Try to prove. Login. Homepage. Here he can see all the post that has been done. He can also like, dislike, or follow any comments. Like, the like counts automatically. He can also follow any idea. Even he can also write any comment on that post. Now moving to control panel. Timeline. This is the timeline. Oh, control panel. It's department wise contribution. There are various department in a university. So this is the contribution. Which department has contributed on the post in a bar chart. Sorry, pie chart. 5. CIS 1, 5.9%, CSC 11.8, and IT 82.4%. Now I will see the department wise contributor who have contributed in 25%, CIS 25%, and 50% on IT and 25% on CSC. These are the result in a pie chart showing all the results of a contributor and contribution. What the contributor and who did the contribution. Basically, QA coordinator can manage the category. He can't add any category to the system. He can set the date and final closure time. He can search for the name who have post on it. Suppose add category system, he can see the details. When the category has been done, launch, remaining date, remaining final closure date, department wise contribution 100% IT. You can see so this. Departmental idea. Select any category. If he select any category, he can see the post of that category, who have done, what was the description, publisher date, publisher name, who have publish the post, its date, its time when he have published the post, if any attachment if he has, the Ryan. These are the publisher. There is one reason he can only coordinator which are on his department. He can control other department like even Aston. He went details. He can block his ID and unblock his ID. Even he can delete it. If you want to more about him, no one to more about him, then he will go to even Watson profile. See he is activate. If you want to deactivate his account and he is do any anonymous comment or something, he can deactivate his account. He has the power of that and block details. Can do everything. See their profile. How many comments he have done on each category, what was the description and their details. Departmental student. He can see the department wise student, the IT department, Evan Watson, Ryan Gibson, IT department. If you want to see the details, he will click details and see their information. Same thing. Total posts have been done 13. Session 2018. Total comments 6. These are his profile. He can even message to any of his staff. LP owns. See the message has been sent and it's showing in the message option. To LV owns a message already has gone through a mail notification. He will get a mail over here. Over here there is an option like message option. I'm letting you see it. What has been done? Message option report. He can see the report. Most viewed report. Most popular report. The most popular means most like comment. Whose ideas has got most like his idea of post is most popular. Latest idea. See the latest idea come to the front. Title of the post that have run previously. Title of the description even. Idea without comment. There are so many ideas that no one have still have no comment. Idea with comment. See Alexander identified. See there is no option for block, unblock and delete. Why? Because Alexander Brooks, he is not in his department, this coordinator department. Coordinator can handle only his department. Well, he can see every department student post, but he can have the authority right to delete and undelete, to delete and block other department student, like his department of. Hey, see, he can go to his profile and see. So he is not in his department. That's why the profile is blocked. Only the authorized coordinator of that student can see it. Anonymous idea, that is if there was any anonymous idea, he can say it. He can see the report on comment also. Latest comment, idea with comment, idea without comment, anonymous comment. He can see everything. Only he cannot just add new category to the system. He is restricted to it. So I'm logging out from QA coordinator as his stuff has been done. I'm moving to timeline. He can see the title of the post, his timeline, latest post that I have done few minutes ago. Title of the post, 2 like, 1 comment, unfollow. He can also message option. He also have the all post, followed post, trending post. See, there is no option for idea post for him. This is here. So accounts, he can set his account by himself. So I'm logging out into the from the system. Now I will log into the Idea Book system as a QA manager. Default ID and password. Login. This Alfie timeline messages are same as QA coordinator and stuff. He can do everything like dislike, follow, title of the post, but he can post any idea at category system. See, Alfie, he can follow the post, write, dislike it, unlike it, comment on it, follow it, but he can post any idea. But he can set the category of that post. Two messages has been come from Feria, hey, and Feria something. See the email notification that I have done. As a if he clicks to the message, he will go to the message option and can see hi, hello, hi, hello. A message will be sent to Freya. Sent. Then I'm moving to control panel where he can control. He can, as it is, he can see the department wise contribution and the contributor part percentage, BBA, CIS, even to CBBA, each department. He can control the staff, who are the staff working under him and their details. He Freya Grandier. He can even send a message to them or they deactivate their account or see their profile. These are the staff. These are the staff profile. He can even handle the staff profile. User account. These are the users account. Users means the student's account, their email ID, their password, their status, action, delete, email ID stand. He can even deactivate from here or go into their profile and deactivate it. Suppose I am deactivate Sajjad. Deactivate. I have deactivated Sajjad's account. Done. This is a student's user list. He can search over here by through them. Can send message to anyone. Add new category. In closure date, I have to select the latest date. I can't see the previous date. Final closure date. Here I can choose any date. Suppose 27 April 2000 April. Launch it. The idea has been launched. Let's see on the add new idea. Any new idea post details has been done. If I want to see more details about it, I will click it. Details. Edit category, delete category. I can even modify my category that I have inserted. If I want to attach any data, I can also do that. Closure date, remaining hour, remaining closure days, category, latest idea, launch date, and remaining date. I can even modify it or edit it if I want. Report, you can see the report on idea, most viewed, most popular, latest idea, idea without comment, with comment, anonymous idea. If you want to see more about it, knows more about it, he will click details and go to the next page and know every information. Reports on comment, every stuff, things are same. It's all are same. That's it. These all are same. Control panel, timeline. That's all for QA manager. Basically, he can do every steps that a QA coordinator can, but he has the authority power. He can do each and everything. He can control staff account. He can control staff account, user account, student account. He can add new category. He can see this distribution idea, contributor, report. He has the authority to see everything and control everything. He is the main administrator or user of the system. So that's all for idea sharing of a enable secret system of mine. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Oh.